This is an iPad mini, the perfect e-reader. Those that know, argue with your mama, not me. And this is an interactive TBR widget. And girl, you need this. Let's make one. First, make a new list in the Reminders app. Name the list TBR Change the Color and add an icon. Now add your books. Hold on the screen. Select Edit and Add Widget. Find Reminders in the list. And the size widget is up to you. I use the largest one. Once the widget is on your home, screen hold on the widget. And in the pop-up menu, select Edit Widget. Select Reminders. And from here, you can choose the TBR list to add it to the widget. And since this is an interactive widget, as you finish the books, you can check them off right from the home screen. Let me know if you want more iPad reading tips. Happy reading, Bookie!